Good morning, students of class 7th. Welcome to your online classes of English. Today, in listening activity, we'll be covering out unit number 9, Earth R. Unit number 9, that is Earth R. Listening. It is Earth R later in the evening. You will listen to a television broadcast about Earth R with some comments from a celebrity. As you listen, take 5 correct facts from the list. Now you will be listening to the broadcast now. Presenter. Hello and welcome to this special program on Earth R. What is Earth R? On March 24, 2018, between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. our time, the WWF's 12th Earth Hour will be held across the world. During this time, participants from 158 countries will switch off their lights for 1 hour and take part in the global movement to save energy. Landmarks like the Big Ben, the effect, the Eiffel Tower, and the Taj Mahal will also participate. In last 12 years, Earth Hour has grown into a global movement with the simple message that everyone is capable of making a change. While millions contribute to Earth Hour, WWF admits that just switching off lights for 1 hour does not make any real change and adds that we ought to bring it into our daily routine and behavior. Let's listen to what superhero Ajit Kumar has to say about all this. Celebrity voice Ajit Kumar. Friends, it is simple. Take the first step and agree to turn your lights off for 1 hour. Let's take some responsibility, some small steps. But if you are willing to make a bigger difference, then join the I will if you will campaign like I have. This is an Earth Hour campaign to encourage action beyond the hour. People from any walk of life can participate. So, for example, I volunteer or offer to do something. If a certain number of people promise a certain section to protect our planet, the action could include 10 people or 10,000. You could be involved too. Here are a couple of my own challenges. I will contribute money towards renovating abandoned parks. If 50 people start segregating their waste, I will initiate a beach cleanup and plant 50 saplings this year. If 100 people will stop using their cars and start taking bicycles or public transport to work. Why am I doing this? Well, because our planet is facing its biggest environmental crisis. We are facing a crisis with fuel, energy, and water. As a citizen of the earth, I am always ready to work towards making change happen. Let us all look around us and resolve to protect the earth we have. Are you willing to join in? Say a loud yes and step forward to do your bit. Now, the second part, get it right. B part, listen to these sentences about ordinary people who are working towards protecting the environment and fill in the blanks with the words that you hear. Then write out how many syllables each word has in brackets. First one, Madhav Subramaniam is a 12-year-old boy who collects money for Tiger Dash in Mumbai. Second one, along with his friends, he set up Kids for Tigers and Dash that works in 100 of schools. Third one, he had raised over 500,000 rupees and has helped raise Dash to prevent tigers from becoming extinct. Fourth one, Bija Devi heads a movement where she collects and save seeds for future Dash. Fifth one, she also touches farmers Dash seeds and Dash with them. Sixth one, she has 380 varieties of rice seeds alone and her Dash across the country Dash around 200,000 people. Okay, so you have to complete this part also. Now I will be giving you the task what you have to solve after listening to the conversation. Now see in the A part, listening exercise, it is Earth hour later in the evening. You will listen to a television broadcast which you have already listened about Earth hour with some comments from celebrity. As you listen, take the correct facts from the list. You have to take the correct facts from the list. The first fact, the first one, Earth hour is on 24th March 2018. Okay, in the box you have to take the correct list. In the second one, 2018 marks the second Earth hour event. You have to mark the correct option. That means the correct tick, whether it is right or wrong. Third one, 158 countries will switch off their lights during Earth Hour. That means you have to mark right or wrong in this. All people can participate in this event. You can mark right and wrong in this statement. Fifth one hour makes a big change in saving energy. You have to mark right and wrong in the box. Sixth one, offering to join a movement like this for 1 hour is the first step. You have to mark right and wrong in the box. Seventh one, I will, if you will, is an environment agency. You have to mark right and wrong in the box. Eighth one, you have to be willing to protect the environment. You have to mark right and wrong in the box. Listen to the broadcast again and complete task B. Now you have to complete task B. Okay, based on your understanding of the broadcast, tick the two correct ideas and put a cross on the others. You have to put the tick on the correct ideas. The first one, only if we offer to give our time and effort can we help protect the planet. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Second one, only if we are willing to join Ajit Kumar can we help protect the planet. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Third one, only if we participate in Earth Hour can we help protect the planet. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fourth one, only if we make it a habit to go green in our daily life can we make protect the planet. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Okay, so these activity you have to do. And the B part, listen to these sentences about ordinary people who are working towards protecting the environment. Okay, read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct words that you have already heard. Write out how many syllables that word has in brackets. Okay, now see, Madhav Subramaniam is a 12-year-old boy who collects money for Tiger Dash in Mumbai. Okay, now the second one, along with his friends, he set up Kids for Tigers and Dash that works in 100 of schools. Third one, he has raised over 500,000 rupees and has helped raise Dash to prevent tigers from becoming extinct. Now the fourth one, Bija Devi heads a movement where she collects and save seeds for future Dash. That means you have to fill in the blank. Okay, fifth one, she also teaches farmers Dash seeds and Dash with them. You have to fill in the blank. Sixth one, she has 380 variety of rice seeds alone and her Dash across the country Dash around 200,000 of people. So all these exercises you have to solve after listening to the conversation. Thank you very much all. God bless you all.